What's up, everyone? I haven't done this in a while, but anyway, I'm just gonna wait for some people to join the live. Hello po! It's very random. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang mag-IG live. Okay. Alright, we are at 842 viewers. Hello po sa inyong lahat. 947. Okay, 1,058 of you are here. So, wow, 1,100. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko lang pong mag-IG live bago mag-premiere ang music video for Paalam Muna Sandali. Wow, 1,154 of you are here. What's up, you guys? So, the music video will be dropping at 6 p.m. sa YouTube channel po ng Star Music. So you guys can watch it there at 6 p.m. And again, ang Paalam Muna Sandali ay ang bagong eviction song po ng Pinoy Big Brother collab edition. And ito po ay ginawa ni Sir Jonathan Manalo. So sana ay supportahan ninyo. And if you guys have any questions about the song, I'm G to answer them right now. Because I'm not doing anything. After this live, I'll probably post the link to the music video in my IG stories. Watching from Dubai, hello po. When was I in Dubai? Back in March. Last month? Was that? Yeah, last month. And Bestie came back from Dubai. Si Kim Chu po, may dala siyang mga Dubai chocolate. So, shout out to the one and only Chinita Princess, Kim Chu. Shout out from Summer Borongan City, si Lucy. What's up? Nasa summer ako next month. May sakat balogan. I think. you will know sooner or later. Kung tuloy po. But anyway, yeah. Watching from Bulacan, watching from Cebu. What is up? Hello, Sid, all the way from Sydney. I miss Australia, actually. Oh, are you going to Stampede this year? I don't think I'm gonna be in Canada during Stampede. You guys, 10 minutes na lang po before the release of the music video ng Paalam Muna Sandali. So I hope you guys stream the song. I hope you guys watch the music video. And yeah. Hello Darren, kakainom ko lang ng City Cafe. Sabi ni Is Kimchi. Maraming salamat. Jomigo! Sabi ni Jomigo, ano meron? Because in 10 minutes, Jomigo, the music video for my new single is going to drop. And also, I'm not doing anything, so I went onto Instagram Live. So, ayun. Yung Paalam Muna Sandali nga was a last-minute single. It was just, I don't know, it was very sponty, as some would say. Yun nga, kasi they didn't have an eviction song yet for PBB. And so, Sir John and I messaged and he said, may sinusulat siyang kanta. Tapos, he came up with Paalam Muna Sandali while I was in Paris. And he was like, kaya mo bang ma-record within the weekends? I said, Sir John, nasa Paris po ako. And he said, oh, okay. When do you land from Paris? Tapos sinabi ko, Wednesday. Sabi niya, pagka-land mo, okay lang bang dumiretso ka sa studio para i-record? So, ayun yung nangyari. And I'm really happy with how it turned out kahit umabot kami ng 1 a.m. sa pag-record ng song. It was all very worth it. And naging I would say I'm very proud kasi naging parte din siya ng PBB collab aside from Sikat Ang Pinoy with Ate Julie Ann. What's up, you guys? Did I co-write Paalam Muna Sandali? Who asked that? I know wala na. Hindi po. Si Sir John lang yung nagsulat. So, si Sir John compose ng song. May iba ka bang artist na kasama sa music video? Wala po. Actually, this was also a very last-minute music video. Everything about this song, this single, it's all very last-minute. And the team from Star Music and I just wanted to be able to have a visual to go along with the song na maganda pa rin kahit last-minute lang siya. So, shout out to Direct Eds for accommodating us and bringing this last-minute vision to life for Paalam Muna Sandali. May bago ka bang kanta ngayon? Eto na po yun, Paalam Muna Sandali. Yung music video niya is dropping in 8 minutes sa YouTube channel po ng Star Music. When ang album? Wait lang. Ako mismo, excited na din. Basta I don't know when we will drop it. Because there's a lot of plans na syempre bago mo i-release, everything should be planned out. So that's how I personally want to have things done. So, ayun. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakapag-stream na ng kanta. There's so many people saying hi. Hello po. Maraming salamat for tuning in. Ayun. Ayun. I will probably end the live soon. But I just wanted to hop on here to let all of you guys know that the music video is coming out at 6 p.m. for Paalam Muna Sandali. Ayun. What's up, you guys? Kailan ilalabas yung isa mong song kay DJ MOD? Gusto na namin din ilabas, pero we're doing things one by one muna. So, our focus right now is on Paalam Muna Sandali, but hopefully, maipalabas na rin namin yung Ako Na Nga Ang Bahala or Anab. Okay, we are down to the last 6 minutes. I'll probably end the live soon. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys stream the song Paalam Muna Sandali, composed by Sir Jonathan Manalo, and watch the music video at 6 p.m. It's in almost 5 minutes sa music video. Ba't ko ba sinasabi music video? Sa YouTube channel po ng Star Music. Pasample daw. Sabi ni Sika El Mind. So the song goes, Paalam Muna Sandali, kailan ba naging madali? Kahit tayo kung sa akin mawalay ka, walang magagawa. O ipangako mong walang magpapago, hanggang muling magkita tayo. Ayun. So ayun po, Paalam Muna Sandali. In 5 minutes, the music video is going to premiere. So hop on to Star Music's YouTube channel. And I will see you guys again soon. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit ako mag-IG live. Pero sana ay na-enjoy nyo to. And salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakapag-stream na ng song. You can still stream it on all digital streaming platforms. Maraming salamat. And go head over to YouTube now. Mag-abang na po tayo sa premiere ng music video ng Paalam Muna Sandali. Maraming salamat. Bye!